Hey guys, I have the FabFitFun Winter add-ons. If you don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal box that's $49.99 and it comes with all kinds of different products. It's not just like beauty, it has like lifestyle products, stuff to go to the gym, fashion, jewelry, that kind of stuff. So if you're into that, you can definitely check out. I have a playlist of my FabFitFun boxes for you guys. If you want to see more or less what it is about. They did partner with me as far as sending me these items. I am not sponsored. I was sent this for a review purpose. And yeah, so if you have FabFitFun, they have these winter add-ons. So for every season, they have like add-ons that you can add on to your box if you're already subscribed to the box. And it is kind of like a little sale that goes on, and you can add on different things, beauty, different kind of things that they have available. I'm going to show you what some of the items from the winter box are in here. And also they did give me a coupon code, as they always do, for $10 off. This is for your benefit only. I always tell you guys if I'm going to make any kind of profit off of these coupons, and this is one that I don't. So this is only for your benefit. If you want to use it, and if you don't, you can definitely use any other coupon that you find out there. I am totally chill with that. Also, if you want to be the first one to kind of grab these, if you have an annual subscription, they get the first access. It's kind of like Sephora's VIP Rouge, you know, like, so if you have an annual subscription to FabFitFun, you're the one who gets the first access to the add-ons. And I have heard that they sell fast, so it just depends on who gets there first. So anyways, I'm gonna jump into what they've sent me. I have tried some of these. I've been trying to try out some of them, and then others I haven't been able to try on. So okay, first off, there is a V8 Hydrate, and this, anyone who has a FabFitFun subscription can add it on as an add-on. So this is going to be totally free. I have yet to try this, but we drink V8 Splash. We absolutely love V8 Splash in my house. So I'm thinking that it's something similar. It says that it has natural electrolytes and superior hydration. So I will definitely be putting this into the fridge to try. And if you guys want, I'll let you know on Instagram if I like it or not. But definitely just go ahead and add it on to your box because it's free. I mean, how could you not want to add it on, even if it's just to give to someone else? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. The first thing in here is the Queen Bee Retexturizing Serum. It has honey, bee propolis, and dandelion. It's naturally derived and 72% organic. It says it's to renew dull skin and help the amino acid proteins. I have tried this out like 1 or 2 nights. Not enough to be able to tell you guys like, wow, this did like something spectacular to my skin. It isn't as like moisturizing as other serums. I think that somebody who has more oily skin or acne prone skin would like this a little bit more. I think most serums, you want them to be a little bit more hydrating, especially the older you get. So this just kind of doesn't have that slip to it. So I mean, it smells nice. It has like a kind of like a natural clean smell to it, so I did like the way it smelled. I haven't been able to use it long enough to see any kind of improvement on my skin. I do like the fact that it's natural. The only thing is that I wish it had like a little bit more slip to it and actually, like, I don't know, it was like a little bit more hydrating. So I think that this is more geared to people with a little bit more oily skin. I think you would enjoy it a little bit more. Next thing in here is something that I took out because I was going to try to use it, but then I wasn't able to. This is the Daily Concepts Your Konjac Sponge. And this is a sponge that it's kind of like a little, kind of like an exfoliating sponge. And it actually has a little, what is that? The little, oh, I don't know what the name of it is. It's those little sticky things, the little chupones that go onto the shower, so you can just leave the bag there and put this little thing back in the bag, and it'll dry it, so you can use it quite a few times. So it's supposed to be made from 100% natural and preservative free konjac root or konjac roots. It's supposed to be charcoal and exfoliate and detoxify. I have yet to use this. It's pretty hard, so I'm hoping that when you wet it, it becomes a little bit softer. And This is supposed to be an exfoliator for your skin. So if you're into that, then that would definitely be a good pick for you to add on. Next thing in here is something that I'm going to give to my husband. And I think that if you're looking for like a cute gift for like your father, an uncle or something like that, especially for Christmas, I think this would be a good add-on. It is a flashlight, and the company is called Brook & Co. And so it's a flashlight that obviously works as a flashlight, but then it has kind of like that Swiss Army knife thing at the bottom. Let me be careful because I don't want to cut myself because these are pretty sharp. So it has like knives, it has little scissors, it even has like a few tools in here. I think that this would be cute as a gift for someone, especially someone who likes that kind of Swiss Army knife, or someone who you know, is outdoorsy or something like that. I think that this would be a good gift. This I will definitely be giving to my husband because I know he will get a lot of use out of that. Next up is the Scrub Black, and it's a body scrub, and this is, it says like nobody wants to snuggle up to rough, dry skin. This is kind of like a sandy scrub, so you kind of take it out of the bag and then scrub it against your skin. It works really nice. I really liked it. It's black, so you do have to like spray your shower afterwards, because if not, like, it looks like you were out at a dark beach and then came home and like took a shower. The only thing I don't like about this is the packaging. I wish it was like in a tub or something, because I did spill this and I was really sad that it spilled. So it does have kind of like one of those Ziploc closures again, but I do wish that it was in a tub. I just feel like it would be a little bit more effective that way, but it's still a really nice scrub. Let me see if I can kind of show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so hopefully, okay, so that is what it looks like right there, and it has just a really nice smell to it. I really like it. It's more of a perfuming smell, so if you're not into that, you might not like this, but I really like the scrubs. I'm really into scrubs. I constantly buy scrubs all the time. So definitely, if you're into scrubs, you might want to take a look at this. If you don't like the packaging, then maybe skip on it. Next up is this little set right here, and I really like this little bag. This is a Trazique mini contour travel set. It has a little baby bronzer stick, a baby blush stick, and a mini highlight stick. The bronzer is just that. It's a bronzer shade, and I don't know why it's called the contour set, because this right here, let me see. If you guys see that, it's very orangey, so I don't feel like this looks nice as a contour. What I have used it as is just apply a little bit on my cheeks like a bronzer. This is also a really nice one. This is the blush. I've never swatched like this, so it's kind of weird for me, but I want you guys to see it. So this is the blush right there. It's a beautiful coral, and these blend really beautifully. And then let's just do the highlight over here. Okay, so there, those are all three. So these blend really nicely. They're very beautiful on, and I feel like this is a nice little trio, especially to travel with. I like the fact that it comes with a little bag. So this is something that I would definitely recommend picking up from the add-ons. Next up is this. This is the EIR NYC Snow Patrol. This I try to use, and this is a stick, like an SPF stick, and I'm going to show you guys in the swatch right here. This stuff, I don't know, it reminds me of like old school SPFs where it would like leave a mark on you. This really just gives a really big white cast. It does say that it has zinc and that it has approximately SPF 50, so that is nice. And if you're looking for one that's natural, this will probably be for you. It has a weird smell to it, not like that SPF smell, like this weird natural smell that I just can't pinpoint. So I'm not really a fan of this. I don't really like that it has the white cast to it. It's just not my cup of tea. But if you like natural kind of stuff, this might be your way to go for SPF, but it's just definitely not for me. Next up is something that I absolutely love. And if you're really into essential oils, I would definitely say pick this up from your add-ons. This is the ESYM Roll-On Lavender. This stuff, oh my god, this stuff smells so good. It smells just like lavender. I love the fact that it's a roll-on and it has like that really strong natural lavender smell. I just absolutely love this. I've been using this a lot since it came in the box. Every day basically I just like put some on my temples and like my wrists and stuff, and it just, I'm really into essential oils, so I absolutely love this. I love how it glides on. I've had essential oils where it's not as watery, like the consistency isn't as slippery, so it doesn't, like you can't really apply it as easily, so I really enjoy this one. Next thing in here is a mask that I haven't been able to do. It's the Generation Clay Mask. It's a detoxifying charcoal clay mask, and if you're looking for something to detoxify, hydrate, refine, and clarify, I think that this is a really nice one. It says it has charcoal, vitamin E, and it's cruelty free. It's from Australia. Let me know if you've ever tried this brand. Hopefully it is a good one, and if you pick it up then you would like it. Sorry I haven't been able to try it out for you guys. I've just been super busy with family from out of town. Next up is the Aloe Up. This is for the face. It's a daily facial moisturizer. It has an SPF of 25. This I really liked. It has a nice little bit of SPF 25. It does really moisturize the skin. If you're more oily, then I don't think that you would like this, just because it does kind of leave a little bit of a greasy residue. So definitely for those dry skin babies out there. And now it's stuck in here. Let me see if I can open it from the bottom. And this is also cruelty free. It has aloe vera gel, which is really good for your skin. It has coconut oil and almond oil, and it has grapefruit seed extract. And it does have that SPF smell, so that is something to look forward to. I mean, not to look forward to, depending if you like that smell or not. I'm not really a fan of that. But I don't know if you guys could tell there, it kind of gives a sheen to the skin, so it is a little bit more on the greasy side. If you're just going to be out in the sun and you really don't care, then this probably will be for you. But if you want to use it like under makeup, or you know, are going to go somewhere that you're going to at least have a BB cream or something like that, then your face is definitely going to get oily with it. I did use it a couple times, and on its own it's nice. It just kind of gives a little bit of moisture to the skin, just a tiny bit of that dewiness to the skin, but underneath makeup it does break up the makeup. So it's good for someone who doesn't, you know, who doesn't wear a lot of makeup, or either, you know, if you have really dry skin, that this is actually going to really absorb nicely into your skin. And last is the, what is this? And last is the Bios Apothecary. This is the cuticle salve. It's an almond. It smells really good. I absolutely love this just to hydrate those cuticles and your fingertips. I really enjoy this. I like the fact that it's very travel friendly in the little tin, but this does kind of leave a little bit of greasy residue to your fingers, so that is something to account for. If you have really dry ones like me, then this will definitely absorb, but if not, that's just something to take into account. So those are the winter add-ons that they sent me. Let me know what you guys think. What are you thinking of picking up or adding on to your FabFitFun? I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button down below. Love you guys, and until next time, bye guys.